Ah, why? Yeah. You wow. Hey, Afia. Say we are sangasa what do huni. And I just say baby konkwa na so pie gentle. You have to be gentle because 2021 we're not gonna give them chance. So what you say, yeah, more chance of that. And Jimmy says, "I'm a doctor. I'm a na shoe na mada."
The chance of 2 dollars one day.
Me and Casano, me were hips and I'm war form. Me nipa bi anka me baoba, ma me ga otono kura so. And I'm a baoba so na me nya body dia ne nka Ghana for me man ka me mu due. Wo mpe kura me de be toa wo.
Boy yeah.
Wo ni kura obedi.
E dem ba ho kakra.
Sa enkomo ho.
Ami no nkomo.
So, your man in your watch, and you don't come on a Indian system.
What's he say, trying?
So, and next week, come come back, can come come.
Wait a minute, minche.
And my men from country, emergency meeting.
There be minche, teto.
And I'm just a baby, I make a more time. My men friend. Hello? Me pacho, Maria, me nam kwa so ameba. Na the case na kuyini menya ho kakra nchen yeah eye beautiful Franka yeah wabefie oso na me wonkomo enti opesa me time na ofa mu be 5 hours so I would delay that meeting for 5 good hours.
Oh, it's great news.
Pacho hold on. What's it? 5 hours in
30 seconds.
Eh bi hade wo kan hia na wo se menya potre ehwew say me so do ma me 5 hours. Sorry. I'm a patron to the Yamfano Bear 5 hours. Now I'm in Franka, and we are. Oh, I will come, yeah, I'm sure. Oh, Debbie, no. I can't do that. My life, I don't like disappointment. So if I won't come, I will tell you that I won't come. But if I will come, I will let you know that I will come. No disappointment. Yes, that's Kyinkyinaa Twan for you. Yes. Yes, I'm a man with my words. I'm a man with my words. Yes, of course. Pardon? Okay. Bye-bye. Okay. Franka, talk to my ear.
Business been am
Business? Oh, yeah? You see the business, they manage your whole power because...
They say business, but you say... Barter trade.
Barter trade.
Like, ebia, me were fun. Meet me the bro.
Yeah.
Now
like exchange of goods,
yes.
Exchange of something, exchange of maybe your property to get my property,
yes.
Or exchange my property to get your property.
Yes.
Barter trade. Yeah, I get your. Okay, go on.
Me buy your money now.
Okay, it's business net to say you be kokoye no he be wi o he you be hye free.
And be pe bia. Okay. Say you are dey to say bia you say me tena he. Ukra Kyinkyinaa de ama me.
Okay?
Yes. E bia da from me ukra bia also with me beji sanity.
Ntie bia eno hia bia tim beji free me ho. Da for na me so me pe bia free wa me so me timi ba beji. Oh, okay. It's a well business. We can do it. You know, I like doing business, yeah, because my lifetime, you know, I always want to do business because business is life, business everything. Okay, no problem. So go on.
Matthias.
Oh, Matthias.
Okay. Anyway, yenshasi.
Open say business na say.
I say business is business.
Oh, come say be better say be next month.
Be try.
Okay, no problem.
I then come pay 100 cedis.
100 cedis. And ne. Now the bedroom da be.
Oh, say minya ya na me dia bro.
100 cedis. And to hold him 100 cedis in Tiafan say be a watch na me so me here be a meeting about
what me be a me de be mo sanity.
Auntie san bibi say ni bibi be na me here meeting.
Bibi a on sabetimi aka.
Bibi a me sabetimi aka. Everything including everything.
Yes.
I can ask of it from you. Are you sure of what you are saying?
Oh yes, no crana maker.
Because in my life, I don't like disappointing.
Oh, try and be beyond sabetimi aka.
So right now you need 100 cedis.
Yes. I
don't have much money on me now, but let's see. if this money can be reached 100 cities. Okay. So that is 100 cities.
Yeah.
Okay. So that barter trade begins right now.
Yes, please.
So from tomorrow going, I too can come to you and ask of you anything, everything I want from you. And you are going to give it to me. Promise. You have to promise. Okay, no problem. Oh, no problem. Okay. Me and me PNT, we can go. Can go. Now, oh, mommy, oh. Ask me who mommy ache.
Oh, too kind.
Sir, okay. Ah, we me a boy no.
Ono so to
Kwabi. Kwabi, ono mommy no koi. Ah, now we for be no win sapa no. Wo for kwabi nsani.
Mo for kwabi nsani.
Oh, eja John, wo for eja John, or no msa bebrebe.
Ah, on this one na brother go kasi new phone ntin.
Ah, on this new phone na. Eh. Eni ye, no so ye. Sisi o ye adwuma de eni ye. Frankie, and then I was on that Upe, and then I was on that Upe, and then I was on that Frankie, and then I was on that Upe, and then I was on that, and then I was on that. Franka!
What?
Me oh, my boy.
Remember what?
Your barter trade business partner is here, man.
Hey.
It's your turn. It's your turn. We do the business, we do the partnership, we do everything. Allah, fresh girl here. Allah cool. Allah no size. Allah fresh. Allah beautiful.
You say then can buy 100 cedi.
And then can say about. And then I'm at 12 and then we the other number.
Then I force of come and say them baba.
Eh, say. Barter trade look I say obi here bibia no aba.
I say me say here 100.
Eh say ne wo here amaba ntimi be je ko wi a. Eh wutimi ade chan timi baba sa ba jinje ne de. Franka. Enya bone because business na the buyer no. Matras ya adwuma mu say a very good and potential business.
Good.
Yeah. And it can help my woman life. And I have think about it and now I see that it's helping me and it's gonna help me. So this business, I'm sure you're gonna do this business for more than 10 years, me and you. Yeah, I promise. Yeah, you go do. Hey, Franka, when baby. Last year, me came one time say me jai myself.
Okay.
To the whole of 2020. Me no babiana.
Okay.
Oh, a man beat me who me say me pem say no, I don't like. Or beat me bread trying come and chop. No, I don't like. Yeah, I want to brief you so that you get what I mean well. And the whole of 2020, 12 good months, 1 good year, no choco. Mama, you see about who say in so na sina me ho che. Ama see no, me dwonso kora me hu say asa malikoko pie free mu banam no. It's not good advice.
It's me pege am.
Me da na me so da basa. I like what you are saying. But we are say since wa ha, yensa ho ntiatia mu ko abi nkwase nso benom. So what you say? Enti de na make up picture na say Franka, say ye business, we here bibi atimbe ka kire. Me here bibi kakra. Ena me bae a awia nwumre we die. Sa wo nko ana wote. So ma me no ayim nyina etukwan. Enti nka me say ye nkonam no nkoda be 4 rounds na me nkonam nso ye me peno no me barter trade no.
We okay. We okay. Anya bia barter trade na me de ba se enye no. Me de ba me kan na bia asemu.
Franka,
me kan na asemu.
Have you forgotten? You said anything that I want from you, you're gonna give to me. And you promised me. So why, Jory? You keep your promise. Why, honey? You fail your promise, ayo.
Tuna me sama.
Why, Franka? You fail your promise. Why, sweetie? You fail your promise, ayo. You promise me anything I ask from you. You gonna give me if it's anything. And today I'm in front of you, asking of one thing. Just give it to me, sister. Ayo. Just give it to me, Franka. Ayo. This small thing, that is what I need. I don't need anything from you. I don't need your money. I don't need your food. I don't need your clothes. Only these days I need. Give it to me, Franka. So why now?
Oh yeah. Nyamenu mkweli nkameti mi aboa ewo nyum tuo mu.
Oh enyum de me ya de pasa me na ma kire de mu ne pa bobo mu nyina na ntepan.
Chai. Me maka sanwa. Me ba chumi ntimi nyama.
Franka.
Better trade no. So wontimi mfa adefo from ma.
You like bad, Massa. Asema na kaka chama ano. Asema na kaka chama no. Aka se me jimi.
Who did they ba me?
Me did they ba wo fie. Na wo so ana nwene se de ba na ba me fie ba jimi sika.
Me jimi mini bi wana wan ho den.
Ma me metima talk radem ha. Metima talk radem ho. I je dem pesa me yo bia. Me na ka kire wo.
Sa na me ba better trade ni mo.
Na better trade no what you say?
Ameka samoncho.
What you say?
Mambe bra ultimo jam fit tete mu go so. Mame ka samoncho.
What mame so me ka samoncho.
Better trade dem de buy ma fine na sama mem.
Na de na bem.
Me di sikasem.
What di sikasem ma me so me penna. Madam, stand there. Sure. Won ka so beton be di me wa grow ana. Wo ja gro kwam no be force se no be no ho. After massa.
Na me no ni jim ho.
Me na njo. Me de na njo.
Won ni tuna ti wa pede. Wo nya me wo nya me. Wo nya.
Franka. Massa. Maybe bona didi.
This is say, bra.
Amen.
Me wo me fie. Massa, ma me cheche massa, me wo me fie. And na wo ba say yenye business. Barter trade.
Okay.
And na wo say barter trade no. Bibi o hia no ho bia ba beje. Bibi am so me hia wo ho bia me meje. And I say, sister, oh practice idea bia me hia free wo bia me meje. O say yes of course.
Franka, when any case asem no.
Nyame anu mkweli.
When me ka asem no.
Oh to was yes or no.
When me kan.
E was cafe mu.
There will be when any case asem no.
Ana me sis cafe mu.
When me kan.
Massa.
Yes, very good. What when me kan.
Okay.
And now I want to catch him say, me 100 cedis. And I'm the man.
Okay.
And the matter to who say, the whole of last year, me no buy another. A time or bar, me no better no me share woman. I dear beg your brother, but what be no ho. So one we want to afford 10 Ukrainian shot. And a matter about the same me the one me want to trim me. Now me fit to trim us, I'm me there. I feel horny.
Why is that trim?
Now me want to trim me. And my sister, Barter trade now see in the nsi amaba me de me hia osika na me hia hwe but ene me nda na me nko wo se dabi na ene se dis nka me ko aye praja me nya bi ni na
Franka sa wo so ne nkonko da chairman ti wa asema kan eko
manum se
wo ka che ne se barter trade
yes
what I say human barter trade
yan chere boss we just use the word barter trade.
You understand the word barter trade?
Yes.
Why do you know
exchange of goods?
So do you mean humans? Can you exchange human goods?
So the money is goods.
What is your
goods? Money is goods.
And don't think there is a goods.
Money is goods.
Don't think there is a goods.
No.
Say there we here.
No.
I say open so sisi abayan say ko bi any fia kwa ka be rape no.
Enti na mam sa.
Anko pia ma shem.
Franka bra inside. Say obi any ya ka wo ne ba o be rape no.
Masa wo ye be ma wo.
There wo ye no wo ye ye.
Enti ta me since last year just am the me wu ana.
Bra pe bi fafa. Why me apa?
Enti baby na me dey fai. Hey, wo nwane trace ana.
Me there you mean.
Na duku yeso ye.
Ana me boduku a wonim dey je boduku. Because so me.
O ko so me, masa o ko so me a ma me nka.
Asema wo kanya ne kan no. Kokko fa wo dey free fia kokko. Then I would do musu na we. If I say ni pa barter trade. What say human traffic chew? As you chew ko human criminal court.
Like a dog.
And then pa ko for.
Hope me ya onka.
Catch it up.
Me hu ba na me.
Sister, se me ka se me propa da na me boa.
Now who pena na be die.
Hey, me mpa wo da one day. But when I say ni barter trade na ka me pa dia wo. Me me the wo wi anka no anu he. Me ka bi se na o ta se ma me no da ye nka me no na bi mu da.
O life has a bigger quiz life no. Also so has a bigger quiz.
Dey na bigger quiz ai.
Onu ye ba ku pe no anu fe kwa wo fa.
O ye nda be.
Enye you want me to buy? Sir, me no for me brace.
Who the one?
Let's me one who nenya.
I
don't know nenya.
One.
Me no nenya.
Oh, say what was to say?
One.
Say for me now.
Oh, boys kid on this ah. Mun ni suban. Mun ni suban. Who ni suban and who ni suban. Kwan boga mun na who suban. What dey odi ayem no.
When day?
Meto mo na.
Blah.
Meto mo na.
Asema ka say do police station. What you say girl?
Me ka say makuno.
What you say girl?
Me ka say makuno.
What you say girl?
Meto mo na.
What you say girl?
On night we go police
station. I got you report.
Me go police.
What you say girl?
Wo da bro no. Wo da bro.
Pen as can go ya.
Na me yoba.
Oh, come on. Na be mo ase buka phone say be say na
me yoba.
Be mo aka phone say.
Say wo da
me daya.
Na kam da no be da bi.
Da he ya ma be mama.
Me pebio. Atimani so.
Oh,
Atimani so. Sister, me pebio mo.
Oh, bra.
Me kam ma me na so de ma me bia me.
Bra.
Atimani na dua kai.
Chiala no.
Hey, oh we bad to go bra wi ase abai.
I talk so like a business near the yeah. Let me say same put never.
The business would be a business it's kind of business, say trading. Trading the account what the animal exchange. Now the person would pay your best in the necessary problem of family.
Say your shots and 100 sleeping a bit more.
It's 100 sleep when it's or down, come also deal with it. Canada.
That's a command.
Opa ni mobile money Franka say man some do 100 cedis na send you because all the command physical cash one way do be just one dem kwa nkwa na akobru see ayo afia o shabe oh